What's up and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a declutter and organize video. I am going to be decluttering Ava's toys today and her room and her clothes and all of that good stuff. It is a collab. I'm participating with a group of other ladies who are also sharing their toy declutter videos. Anyway, I will have the list to the links of all their videos. You guys can watch some more declutter videos and get some more motivation and ideas and stuff like that. So make sure you check that link out when you're done with my video. Also, go ahead and let them know that I sent you and that you are visiting them from my channel. I would love that. I would much appreciate it. So anyway, let's go ahead and just jump into this video. All right, you guys, so as you can see, this room is a total mess. So we are gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up. Well, decluttered, then clean. All right, you guys, bear with me. I do have a cold. As you can tell in this video, I am lacking energy. But I'm going to go ahead and try and do a little bit of a voiceover just to explain a couple of things and then just let the music play until the end. And at the end of the video, I do break down everything, why I did it, and what I'm going to be doing in the future. So the first thing we're going to do is kind of just pick up trash. I was kind of scatterbrained. Everything was kind of everywhere. The room was a mess. So I pick up trash. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm dumping out all of the toys from all of the bins, the baskets, any boxes that had toys in them. I just go ahead and dump them into one big pile. So the first things we're going to do, and some of the things that you're going to want to look for when you're decluttering toys, is you're going to want to look for any broken toys. You're going to want to pay attention to any like outdated toys that your child hasn't played with since they were a baby, or just baby toys in general that they have outgrown. And then the next thing I like to do is just focus on anything that I know she hasn't played with or touched or anything for a couple of months or longer. And then as you can see, Ava was helping me here. We have one box that was for donations and then one bag for trash. So another thing too is investing in shelves. I do have these shelves here. I need to get some more storage bins for them, but they really do come in handy.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight.
So then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Grove concentrates. It's an all-purpose cleaner, and clean off this table.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, right now Ava is picking 3 stuffed animals that she gets to keep on her bed out of this whole pile. And these are the 3 that she chose. And then the rest of these we are going to put away in the closet until I can get some kind of net or something. Real quickly before I start vacuuming, I just want to mention my vacuum cleaner is the Shark Navigator. And I know that there's a couple, Shark Navigator Professional, and I know there's a couple of you guys asking about it.
Be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Alright, you guys, so I'm all done. I decluttered, organized, and cleaned this room. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of explain things to you. I know I am going to do a voiceover for this video, so I'm going to explain a lot of it to you as I go, but I just want to do like a conclusion and an ending to the video. Okay, so real quickly, this is the after, oh god, and there's a toy there. This is the aftermath here. So I got rid of the box there and went ahead and went through the clothes that were in that box. All right, so I went ahead and we kept her Legos. I know that this is missing some pieces, but I know they're around the house, and I just hate getting rid of anything that teaches you something. And so, you know, I don't want to get rid of the alphabet blocks just in case, because she still kind of plays with them. Her little shelf over here, I went ahead and took the things off of there, and these are her new Christmas toys, so I went ahead and put those up there. And then her new car is from Christmas, and then those are her books. These are some outside toys. I do need to invest in more of these little storage bins here. I got these from Target, so I am going to get more so I can organize the toys better in there, and her clothes. But also I do need to invest in a bigger toy box, because as you can see, we had her toys in like 4 different containers, and now we have them down to these 2, which is really nice. These are like her kitchen, all of her kitchen toys, foods, pots and pans, and then these are just like random toys, and a lot of her baby doll stuff's in there. Her kitchen, I did allow her to pick just 3 stuffed animals to keep out. I do want to save her stuffed animals. That's just something that me and my mom do. My mom saved all of my stuffed animals since I was a baby. So yeah, I'm doing the same. And then over here I cleared this table off and just put all of her hygiene stuff in this bin. The closet, I kind of just went through and took out some small clothes that I knew were in here that I needed to take out. And then the rest of the stuffed animals, I literally piled up into this box until I can get some kind of net or something to keep it in that's more organized. But for now, it's in there along with her tent. So it is what it is. These are her donated clothes that I'm just going to do donations. These are actually all of her dresses here that I'm going to sell on this app. I will put the name of the app on the screen. I don't remember, but I just downloaded it yesterday and heard about it from Kristen Casper. You can like sell your kids' clothes, and it's all babies and kids stuff. So I'm going to do that with some of these nicer dresses. And then this bag here, as you've seen during the video, Ava was really helpful with picking toys that she wanted to throw away. So that's all trash there. This is trash because this basket's broken, and this other bin is like messed up and everything. So this is just random stuff that needs to go in the trash. These are all Christmas boxes that are obviously going to be smashed down and recycled. And then these are some toys that are going to be donated. So we had a lot of toys we trashed because they had missing pieces, they were broken, written on, whatever. And then we have some toys in here that were good enough to donate. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video and bearing with me while I was a little under the weather. And do not forget to go check out the link in the description box so you can watch the other videos of the other gals that went and decluttered their kids' toys. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and hit the like button if you like this video. Bye.